The day began early in Nubra Valley with a hot cup of chai and a heart full of adventure. Now let me tell you, this was not your usual road trip. The route was raw, rugged, and absolutely wild. We powered through stretches covered in thick dust, crossed icy water streams that splashed on the windshield, and found ourselves off-roading through terrain that tested both our nerves and our wheels. At times, the road almost disappeared into the landscape, but that was the fun of it. Every twist had a surprise, every turn had a view that made you stop and stare. This was the Ladakh in its rawest form. As we climbed further, we passed ancient gompas standing tall against the sky, and little villages tucked away like secrets in the mountains. Children waved, yaks gazed lazily, and the colors of the Ladakhi life slowly unfolded before our eyes. And then, after hours of the most unforgettable drive, there it was, Pangong Tso. I had seen it in pictures and movies, on postcards, but nothing prepares you for that first real glimpse. The lake stretched endlessly into the horizon, its waters impossibly blue, like someone had poured the sky into a ball of mountains. I just stood there, awestruck, wondering how how can a lake so huge white? How can silence be so beautiful? Pangong isn't just a lake, it's a feeling, a vast, shimmering miracle nestled between mountains. Yet time seems to slow down. The wind here speaks in whispers, and the sky, it feels closer than ever. We reached just before sunset, the perfect moment. The lake mirrored the golden sky, and the mountains turned amber as if painted by the sun itself. We parked our ride, stepped out, and just took a deep breath. That moment felt like magic.
That's for the way till kingdom come. Bang, bang, bang went Frankie's gun. He shot me down, Lucille. Bang, 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 bang went Frankie's gun. He shot me down, Lucille. He shot me down. He shot me down. Sha-la-la, sha-la-la-la.
From dusty trails to icy streams, from off-roading thrills to soul-stirring stillness, this journey from Nubra Valley to Pangong Tso wasn't just a drive, it was an experience that stays with you. And I stood there under the stars. I realized the best stories aren't told, they are lived. Jai Hind.